This is the Central Park area. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It started raining, what the heck? It's like literally pouring. Say hello. Okay, this is fit check for both of us. Kind of have to stand back a little bit, but I'm bringing this bag with me because I feel like it'd be easier to carry stuff. You kind of have to crouch down a little bit. For night one, resort casual. All right, we're taste testing Johnny Rockets. Is it good?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Tastes like a little vanilla, you see, still.
We got a strawberry, and they just did vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. And strawberry like syrup, so it is vanilla. We're kind of just chilling on the deck. They have a movie playing, I think, and it's like nighttime now. But it looks really cool at night. Like the sea looks really cool. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but let me show you guys what this looks like over here. It's just kind of like lit up out here. It's cool. 3, 2, 1. So we're just walking around the track. And we're like literally looking out onto open ocean. It's so windy, but it's also so muggy. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose my sunglasses. Hey. This is literally our view right now. This is so cool.
Don't drop it.
Don't say that. We're stopping to play some table tennis. It's so windy. This is literally our view. That is so... We brought wine to our dinner, and it's like a dress your best night. I'll give you guys an outfit review. Pretty good. The ocean looks absolutely gorgeous right now. We just came out of our formal like dinner and stuff. Literally let me do a fit check with the ocean. So I just sat by the pool for like a few hours and then I got free ice cream. It is good. Oh, he thinks I'm talking to him. I'm not talking to you. Okay, so I was thinking I could do a little get ready with me because I am getting ready for dinner. I just showered and I put my hair in a braid because I kind of want to make it like wavy because the theme for tonight is Latin and white night. So AKA I just combined them both and I'm just doing like a flowy white dress and hopefully that works for Latin. But anyways, so today we kind of just lounged by the pool. We didn't do anything crazy. We were gonna like go on the water slides and stuff, but we ended up just jumping from like the pool to the hot tub and back and forth, which was fun. This is my first cruise, so I've been having a blast. Like we've just been doing like whatever. I just feel like going to the pool, coming back, showering, and going to dinner is always the best combo ever, and we've been doing it every day. Today's only day 3, but it's been really fun. We have an excursion planned on, oh, that's tomorrow. We have an excursion planned tomorrow. We are going snorkeling, and I don't know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get of it, but I hope maybe I'll be able to get like a little bit because that would be really cool to see. We both got drinks. Mine's a mocktail, but his is a mudslide. And we're gonna try them. Good, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's really good. It's like pear.
That's good.
I mean,
you should try one.
Mine's like non-alcoholic, so it's obviously sweet, but let me try his.
This one is like, bro, this is It's one of those dangerous ones. You don't taste anything. At least I don't taste anything.
I definitely taste it.
That's crazy.
But it does taste like chocolate. That is pretty dangerous. That's really good. Anyways, this is the Jazz bar, but no one's in it because it's kind of like closed or something. I don't know. It's not closed.
Yeah, just no one's performing yet.
No one's performing.
Someone else there. Someone else is here.
So we just kind of wandered in here. But we want to go like this Family Feud thing that is
In 15 minutes.
in like 15 minutes, and then after that we have a show booked tonight again. So yeah. Fit check. This is the fit. We're going snorkeling and what is it? A glass bottom boat. I'm very excited. I have my suit on under and I have a bunch of stuff in here, towels and everything. So we just snorkeled in that water. The mark. I got my hair braided. It's so cute. I got little shells on the end. Okay, I am just chilling by the pool. I just swam for like 2 hours. So now I'm lounging in the shade and I'm gonna do a little bit of reading and just kind of enjoy the nice weather. Also, tonight is Caribbean night, so I'm wearing like a Caribbean, like a blue florally shirt, like tank top, and like a white skirt. And I've been waiting to wear that for this whole vacation because that was like a part of the reason I bought the skirt. So I'm very excited for that later. Plus the food's gonna be amazing, I bet. Okay, I'm in the bathroom this time. It has a little bit better lighting. I'm just gonna get ready for Caribbean night. This is the shirt I'm wearing. I got it from H&M, I think. I have some crisp tan lines from the beach today, but it doesn't hurt yet, but I feel like it will tomorrow. I put like aloe on it and stuff, so hopefully it doesn't hurt that bad. I don't know. There's definitely a color difference there, for sure. So tonight's Caribbean night, and we're just gonna kind of wander around after that and do whatever. I think we have a show booked tonight, maybe? I can't remember. Honestly, we just go around and like literally do whatever. But let me show you the full fit because I love the skirt that I am wearing with this. You kind of can't see it from here either. So, there we go. It's just like a flowy white skirt. This is so comfortable after a beach day. I feel like I'm just like in beachwear, but just like more fancy. So that just like makes it better. I am just gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna do like a little bit because I have not been wanting to like take off my makeup. Like it's just been like a chore, and I'm gonna do that and kind of just get ready for dinner. Not a picture. like going up in the air. The check again. Just finishing up breakfast, and this is the view. Just got out of the pool again. I think the worst part about vlogging too is I literally can't see the camera like ever. I have no idea what I'm looking at. At least the sky looks pretty in the background. Today's the second to last day, so we're not doing anything crazy. Like the stuff that was on land is over now, so we're cruising back up. And I'm very sad because I love lounging around every day. Now I have the travel bug again, especially since like when I went to Boston in January. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm so excited for my summer vacation, and now it's like almost over and I'm so sad, but it's okay. I was thinking too, if you guys wanted me to make a short or like a video about like all the outfits that I brought / wore on vacation, I could definitely do that. That would be fun because I feel like I actually put together like cute stuff for like the theme nights and things like that, and I definitely didn't show my full outfits in the video, so maybe I'll do that.
We're going at 20 miles per hour. You heard him?
Oh really?
You see how slow we're going.
I want to see more dolphins. They were like literally right there. Sadly, it is our last day and our last night on the cruise, but this is the fit check for dinner. And this is the birthday boy and his throne. We already ate one dinner, now we're about to go eat another, because that's like the beauty of the cruise, but this is my fit. Nothing crazy, just like, I don't know, slick back in a dress. And you can't even see my feet, but yeah, this is our like stateroom person did this, which I think is so cute. Wait, hang on. This is so cute. I love the animal.
And that you would be able to retrieve it for sure, but
I'm trying to take a video of the moon.
like, kill someone.
You can't really see it.
Yeah, because you're doing iPhone like 11 camera.
Can't really see the ocean from up here unless you put your phone over it, but that's scary. Oh, there we go. Last night, going back home.